recording. And let's start our lesson, but I wanted to see you all. Please open your cameras. I can see Abir only. Now Aisha, now Al-Jawhara, Ghadir. Yalla, I'm waiting. Haya, Talia, Sadan, Fatima, and Dream. I'm waiting the rest. Dream, Fatima, Haya, Talia. Bravo, Sadan. Okay. Thank you, Haya. Okay. I'm waiting Talia, Fatima, and Dream. Yalla, hands up, 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 hands up. Hands up, 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 hands up. Hands up, 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 hands up. Put the bird on the nest. Bravo, Talia, then Haya, then Abir, Ghadir. Sadan, you have to do like this. Sadan al-Jawhara. Put the bird on the nest like this, okay? Haya, why you are angry? Yes, like this. I wanted to see your smile. Good job. Yalla, let's start our lesson. Open your book on page number 137 and let's complete the lesson. Yesterday we were talking about the parts of a flower. I wanted to bring my flower and I wanted to ask Haya. Yalla ya Haya.
Yes, teacher.
I wanted to make you smile.
You're asking me or Haya?
Yalla Hayush.
Yes.
Haya, we took the parts of a
Teacher, asking me
flower.
or Haya?
Haya, Haya. Yalla ya Haya. What we call the green part down, this one. What we called it, do you remember?
Summer. People.
Sepal, bravo. So we called it sepal. We called it sepal. So look, girls, at the green part here, we called it sepal. طب هيا, what we call the colored part. This one.
It's paper.
Petal, bravo. So we took the sepal and the petal. Sepal down, petal, this one. So we have the sepal and the petal. Thank you, Yahya. Talia, why we have different colors of petals?
Yes.
Look at this flower. This is orange one, and here this one is white one.
Because we have a lot of colors.
Yes, why we have many colors? They will attract what?
Because when they go to attract a bee.
Yes. So the bright colors will attract the insects like bee, like ladybug, like butterfly, like the fly. Also, the nice smell will attract the insects. They will come to visit the flower to drink the nectar. The nectar is a sweet material like the honey, but it's not honey. So the insects and the birds come to visit the flower because they are attracted by the bright colors. Also by the nice smell. When they visit the flower, they will find that the flower also has a sweet taste. So they will drink the nectar. The green, all of the flowers have sepals, and all of the flowers have petals. All of the sepals are yellow or green? All of the sepals.
Green.
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 Bravo. All of the sepals have a green color.
Sometimes they be yellow because they're dying.
Yes. If it turns to yellow or brown, that means the flower will die. Okay. Now we talk also, if you remember the video, do you remember the video, girls? By the way, I uploaded on Classera. Please watch the video another time. We said that we have mommy parts and we have daddy parts. Do you remember? Do you remember the mommy parts and the daddy parts?
Mommy parts is the flower.
Yes. Now, if I wanted to circle, look at me, please. This is the mommy part, the red circle. Hello, Sarah. So this is the mommy. Tick, tick, tick. And I wanted to change the color. This one, the daddy. So we have mommy and daddy parts. We have mommy and daddy parts. When I have mom and dad, in the future, what we will have?
Baby.
Babies, bravo. So I have mommy and daddy parts, so we will have babies. Now the insects, I wanted to revise you.
Teacher, baby.
Yes, bravo ya Abburati. Look, I said for you yesterday to bring cotton ball and we didn't finish the experiment. Do you remember? I said we want a coffee also, coffee powder. Look, my ladies, look at the bee's body.
Teacher, I have the same coffee powder.
Really?
Teacher, what do we do with the flower?
طيب, I have 2 flowers, right, ya Talia, or no?
Yes.
We're gonna to explain the pollination process. We're gonna to explain the pollination process, how the flowers will have babies. Imagine that this cotton ball is bee. So the cotton ball is bee. The cotton ball or the bee visits the orange flower. When the bee visits the orange flower, the pollen grains, look, sticks on the bee's body. Can you see the pollen grains? Can you see the pollen grains?
Yes.
Yes. So the bee comes to this flower, to the orange flower. It wanted to drink the nectar. So the pollen grains stick on its body. Now the bee wanted to visit another flower. Chick. The bee now landed where? On the white flower. Now the pollen grains will go down to the mommy part. When the pollen, girls, the pollen grains landed here, they will go down, down, down to the egg. Then the eggs will turn to what? The eggs will turn to what? Seeds, right?
Right.
I wanted to show you.
And
Look, يا عمري. Look. Here is the bee. The bee comes to visit this flower, to drink the nectar. Then the pollen, we said that this one is the daddy part. So the pollen grains are on the anther. So the pollen grains stick on the bee's body. Now the bee goes to the other flower. The pollen grains will go down to the mommy part and they will have baby, another one. Look here, boys, girls. Here the pollen grains on the daddy part. The bee comes to drink the nectar and the pollen grains stick on the bee's body. Look at the bee's body. What we have here? What we have? Bravo, we have pollen grain. Now the bee will go to visit the other flower. The pollen grain will go where? To the mommy? To the mommy part. So the eggs will turn to seeds, to babies. What yesterday I will show you the video again because I wanted to show you how, but let's complete highlighting and let's sing the song. I sent the voice message for your mommies and let's see who saved the song. Pollen grains like powder, help plants to make seeds. Yalla, who saved it?
me, teacher.
Yalla, Aisha.
Pollen grains like powder help the plants to make seed.
Bravo, Ayushi, 2 points. Yalla, who saved it also?
Me, teacher.
Yalla, Fatumi.
Pollen grains like powder helps to make seed.
Help plants to make seeds. Bravo, ya Fatum, 2 points also. Yalla, who's next?
Ghadir.
Yalla, Ghadir.
Like powder help the plant to make seed.
Bravo, Ghaddura, 2 points. Yalla, Sarah.
Powder helps
Again, pollen grains like powder.
plants.
Help plants.
Help the plants. That can after Sarah Abir.
Yes, but let me hear Sarah. Again, ya Sarah. Pollen grains like powder. Pollen grains like powder help plants to make seeds. Sarah, I cannot hear you well. Again, quickly. برافو برافو يا سارة. يلا يا عبير.
يلا.
Yes, teacher.
Pollen grains like powder.
pollen grains for powder help plant to make seed.
Bravo, bravo يا عبير. عبير also will take 2 points. So 2 points for فطوم, 2 points for عبير, 2 points for غدير, 2 points for عائشة. يلا Sadan, do you save the song?
Okay.
Pollen grains like powder.
Pollen grain like powder help plants to make seed.
Bravo. Sadan also 2 points. يلا Talia. Pollen grains like powder.
Active animals that
Pollen grains like powder.
pollen things like powder.
Say pollen grains
Pollen green
like powder.
like powder.
Help plants to make seeds. Help plants. طيب Talia, I will come back to you. Listen to your friends to save it. يلا يا ريم. Do you save it يا ريم? طيب يلا يا هيا. هيا.
Let's save it. Pollen grains. Pollen grains are powder. Help plants to grow and to make seeds.
Bravo. So pollen grains like powder help plants to make seeds. يلا الجوهرة. Do you save it?
Yeah.
يلا.
Help.
Pollen grains like
help the plants
to make
seeds.
Seeds. Bravo. So pollen grains like powder help plants to make seeds. We said that the animals are attracted by the bright colors. So they will visit the flower. When they visit the flower, they will drink the nectar. And the pollen grains will stick on the animal's body. Please mute the mics. Now, bright colors attract animals that help spread pollen from one flower to another flower. These are animals that spread pollen. So the bees, we can say that the bees are pollinator. The butterfly also is pollinator. What ya Sarah?
Teacher, did you put me 2 points when I was singing a song?
You were 23, now you are
2
25.
points?
Yes, 2 points for saving the songs. Now hear the song, girls. Pollen grains like powder. I wanted to underline also only the song. Pollen grains like powder help a plant to make seeds. This is the song. Pollen grains like powder help a plant to make seeds. Many plants grow fruits. Now, when we have a flower, and when the flower is pollinated, we will have seeds inside the flower. We said that the function of the flower is to make seeds. After many days, the flower will turn to fruits. I wanted to show you how. Look, girls. Look at the fruits. We have many fruits, and I guess you like the fruit. Look here. It was a flower. After 3 days, they said. Look, the flower turns to fruit. I wanted to show you another one. Look, this is a flower. After days, the flower becomes fruit. Look, look. Then you see the stages? So the flower turns to fruit. The flower changes to fruit. The flower grows to be fruit. What we have inside the fruit, girls? Seeds. So the fruit hold the seeds. The fruits hold the seeds. The fruits protect the seeds. All of the seeds, most of the fruits have the seeds inside the fruit, except what? The strawberry, girls. Look at the seeds. In the strawberry and the blue-red berries, the seeds are outside, not like the apple inside. In the apple, the seeds are inside, but in the strawberry, the seeds are outside. Because of that, you have to eat the strawberry quickly, but you can store the watermelon, the cherry, the apple. Okay, let's complete highlighting. Many plants grow fruits around the seeds. So, many plants grow fruits. Fruits hold and protect the seeds. So what is the function of the fruit? Hold and protect the seeds. Yes, Yarim. Explain how can, Reem, explain how can bees help plants? How the bees help the plants? Yes, Reem. Who can answer these questions? How the bees?
Me, Aisha.
Yes, yeah, Aisha. How the bees? How can bees help the plants? Why the bees can help the plants?
Because the bees is
Remember my cotton ball. When the bee goes to any flower, the pollen grains stick on the bee's body. When the bee goes to another flower, the pollen grains will go to the other flower, right?
Yeah.
So the bees help the what? To spread what?
The flower.
Bravo. Bees spread seeds. Pollen, sorry. Bees spread pollen grains. So bee spreads pollen grains. When the bee visits the flower, the pollen grains stick on the bee's body. Then the bee will go to the other flower. So the pollen will what? Will move from one flower to another flower.
Down to the soil.
What?
The powder fall down to the soil
Bravo.
and grow again.
Bravo. So the pollen grains fall down to the mommy part and we will have seeds. Bravo. So the flower will pollinate. The flower will pollinate. Will have baby. The baby of the flower is seed. The baby is seed. Do you finish writing and highlighting, girls?
No, Anna. I don't finish writing.
طيب, if you finish, I want you to go to page 140. 140. If you finish.
Teacher, I finished the page.
Bravo. يا فطومي. Good job. The pollen grains like powder.
And me.
Bravo عيوشي. Pollen grains like powder.
Which page, teacher?
140.
Pollen grains to
Like
powder.
powder.
Help blood to make. I
Bravo يا عبورة.
I opened the page, teacher.
Bravo. This is the next page, girls. 140. So the bee helps the flower to spread the pollen grains from one flower to another flower. The pollen sticks on the bee's body, then the bee will go to another one, then the flower will pollinate. Done, girls?
Yes, teacher, but why don't we make hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, and
We made it, but you were late. We made it.
Made it?
Yes.
Can I make it also? Can I make it also?
Yes, we will make it, but let's go to this page.
We have 8 minutes,
I'm
teacher.
finished and I'm opening the page.
Teacher, we have 8 minutes. The class will finish. Have 8
Yes,
minutes.
I know.
Pollen grains like powder. Help the plants to make seeds.
Yalla. Yes, yeah, Jauhara. What is this? Which part of a plant this one?
The first one,
Yes.
is it true?
No, is it root?
Stem.
Stem. Yes, bravo. So this is a stem. Yalla ya Sadan. What is this?
Root.
Roots. Bravo. Yalla ya Reem. What is this? Maybe Reem has a problem. Yalla Talia, what is this?
Teacher, can after Talia me?
I will choose you. Don't worry. You, all of you will answer.
Teacher, after me, Talia.
Talia, what is this? Yes, Talia.
Yes.
What is this? Is it a flower or leaf?
It's a flower.
This is a flower. And the last one, Talia?
It's a leaf.
Yes, bravo.
Teacher, ask me.
Who's this, Aisha?
Yeah.
يلا يا عايشة. Flowers help make what?
Can after Aisha Abir.
Yes, okay. يلا يا عائشة.
Again?
Flowers help make. The flowers
Seed.
make. Bravo. The flowers make seeds. Bravo. يلا يا عبير. Seeds can grow into a new.
You ask me, teacher.
Yes, I'm asking you. Abir, the seeds can grow into a new. When we have seeds and you put the seeds in the soil, what we will have next? New plant. Bravo, new plants.
Plant.
Yes, so the seeds can, so the function of the seeds, girls, the seeds can grow into a new plants. Yalla ya Fatum. Carries water and nutrients from the roots to the other parts of a plant. What Fatumi? Bravo. Stem, bravo. Yes, ya Ghadir. Hold and protect the seed. Which part of a plant hold and protect the seeds? Which part of a plant inside it we have seeds?
Stem.
Fruit.
Inside it we have seeds.
Flower.
Not, I'm not asking you which part makes the seed. I said which part hold and protect the seeds.
Stem. Root.
I wanted to show you, yeah. Which part? Which part hold and protect the seed?
Stem.
Gadura, focus. Hold and protect the seeds.
Root. Leaf. Root.
Fruit.
Yes, the fruits. The fruits.
I said it.
The
I said it
fruits.
first.
Bravo.
I said it first.
You said the fruits?
Yes.
I hear it truth. I'm so sorry.
I'm finished.
Sorry, Amri. Good job, ya Ghadir. So the fruits hold and protect the seeds. Sorry, ya Ghadurati. Good job. Yalla ya Sarah. What happens if a plant loses its roots?
What?
What will happen to the plant if it loses its roots? If we don't have roots, yes,
Die.
it will die. Why it will die? Because it will fall down. It will die. Bravo. Now, girls, the last question, you wanted to complete the missing parts of
Teacher,
the flower.
teacher, I want you to
Or
make hands up, because we have 2 minutes to finish the class.
طيب, when your friend finishes, okay? And here, draw flower. So the missing parts are leaf, fruit, and the flower. Here we have the stem. Here we have the roots.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Yeah.
One.
Girls,
Teacher, we
please,
have 1 minute.
please watch the video on Classera about the parts of a plant. Sorry, parts of a flower.
Okay, teacher, but we make hands up because up because we have 1 minute, please, teacher.
Because your friends are writing. They didn't finish, Yasara.
I need them to finish.
Yes, we are waiting them. If they finish, I will make it. Don't worry.
Teacher, I finished.
Bravo, Fatom. Yalla. Jawhara, you finished?
Sir,
Yeah.
I draw here.
برافو يا عبير. طيب يلا. Hands up, 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 hands up. Hands up, 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 hands up. Hands up, 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 hands up. Put the bird on the nest. برافو غدير, برافو سهرة, برافو.
I did.
برافو هيا.
Bird, teacher.
What فطوم?
I caught the bird. I put the bird on the nest.
Really?
Yes.
طيب, I will give you points. يلا.
Teacher, and me not to play.
Why you didn't
Teacher,
play?
we didn't make bogus, everybody bogus also.
Alright.
What's
Also, we
writing?
didn't, teacher, we didn't do bogus, everybody focus faster. We have
Because we
17
finished.
seconds.
We finished.
We're finished.
Yes. خلاص, next time join early and we will play them at the beginning of